What if I told you that the strength in your legs, the ability to walk, stand tall, and climb stairs with confidence, could start to return, not through exhausting workouts, not in the gym, but quietly while you sleep? Yes, while you sleep. Just one simple spoonful before bed. This isn't magic, and it isn't hype. It's a science-backed routine created specifically for seniors, especially those who feel their strength slipping away day by day. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle. It begins slowly, a bit of stiffness here, a touch of weakness there. After 60, this process speeds up. Simple tasks like getting out of a chair, going for a walk, or carrying groceries become more challenging. For many seniors, this leads to frustration, fear of falling, and even social isolation. Here's something you may not realize: this decline in strength isn't just natural, it can also be reversed. Even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, it's possible to regain strength. The secret lies in knowing when and how the body rebuilds muscle. Muscle growth doesn't happen during activity, it happens during recovery. Specifically, during sleep. While you rest, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue, but it needs the right fuel. Without it, muscle breakdown can continue, especially in the legs, the foundation of your mobility and independence. Most people miss this key point. During deep sleep, your body enters intense repair mode. By giving it a slow digesting protein or a gentle mix of muscle supporting nutrients before bed, you can extend the muscle nourishment window for 6 to 8 hours overnight. That's why one spoonful before bed can be so effective. It could be a scoop of slow-release protein like quinoa, or a simple homemade blend: warm milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. No chemicals, no pills, just a comforting drink that quietly fuels your body through the night. As it digests slowly, your muscles, especially in the legs, receive a steady supply of amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to prevent breakdown and encourage repair. Legs are crucial. They carry your weight, maintain balance, and act as your first line of defense against falls. Weak legs mean lost freedom. Strong legs give you the ability to move, stand up without assistance, walk confidently, and live life on your own terms. Now picture this: you build a habit of one simple drink every night. You sleep peacefully, knowing your body is working for you. Within a few weeks, you notice changes. Getting up feels easier. You walk a little taller. Stairs seem less intimidating. This isn't a miracle, it's your body finally getting what it has been missing. Getting started is simple. Each night, prepare a small glass of warm milk or a high-protein alternative. Stir in your spoonful of either a slow-digesting protein or a calming blend of turmeric and cinnamon. Sip it slowly, then rest. Let your body do the work. No running, no gym, no heavy lifting. Just one spoonful each night, giving your body the support it's been quietly asking for.